Hey everyone, this is Brandon, and we just got the inspection done on the septic system. This leach bed is going to that trailer. This tank will service both trailers. Now I have a ditch that is going underneath of this trailer, and there will be another leach bed just like this one over there. I had a whole lot of trouble with this. Thought I had enough water in my tank. Probably a few weeks ago it started to rain, and lo and behold, the tank come out of the ground and pretty much was sitting up top. So these tanks do float. Just to explain this system I have here, over there will be another D box, and so coming out of the tank right here will go into this D box. This D box will split the water evenly, the effluent evenly, to this chamber system and to that chamber system. So what I have to do is make sure this box is level with that box over there. I like that I concreted the bottom of the underneath of the D boxes. I've done both of them the same way, 24 by 24 pad, roughly. I'm going to fill both of these D boxes in with water shortly, and just make sure that they do spread evenly. But all in all, it was a pretty easy project. Kind of time consuming. This was the first system that I did do. Every bit of this is clay soil. I was lucky that this passed, as you can tell right here. It just it's pretty bad stuff. Yeah, let me try to get some of this up. As long as it's not wet, it seems like it does pretty good as far as busting up, but you can tell I don't think we'll get any penetration with water in any of this. It's kind of like Play-Doh, for sure. So, I'm going to get this a little wet and see what we can do with it. Solid clay. One reason why I'm not going to backfill today, even though it looks partly dry, it rained pretty hard the last 2 or 3 days, so this stuff is still a little damp. I'm probably going to wait another day before I start actually backfilling. Boy, it's more dry. It's going to be a tough backfill because it's so close to the mobile homes. I still haven't had electricity hooked up yet. They have to run power all the way down to the road, all the way up to here. Hopefully we can get this project going. I actually had some chambers left over, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chambers left over. I'm going to use that for the next septic dig. I'll go ahead and show you what I have on this side. There's a space between the homes. Okay, so the next chamber system will be right here. Where he dug the ditch to get over here to the other deep box. The deep box was set right there. I'll pour another pad for it. So yeah, I'm probably gonna wrap things up for today. Got to go to the store and get some more plumbing material. All right, I'll see you. If you enjoyed the video, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. That would mean a lot to me. I am kind of new at doing these videos, but I just kind of like to do things myself instead of hiring people. So anything that I can do to help people, that's what my goal is to do. And you would like to see more in detail as far as installing the septic system. We will be doing another septic install probably in the next couple days, and I will be recording it. Guys, we'll see you in the next video.